Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. For all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling when I called the police on when I was trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Bullshit out, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to ace hard and for dinner. Mr. Ron G, Brucey B, King Capri, Funk Master Black, Smoke, Both Stars P. I'm blowing up like you thought I would.
Do the boys on these P's?
It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
You know very well who you are. Don't let them close you down.
I